Assalamu alaikum everyone, good time to all of you. This is Hassan in front of you. So I'm going to this Mirpur. So right now I share my dormitory. This is building name Gulzar Mansion. This located Mirpur on behind this Commerce College. Right now I'm going to. I decided I will share some discuss for election. So actually it right now every single day, morning to night time, all time we have gone. We are getting this congregation assembly movement quality, because a few days after our country will be national election. That's why right now our country condition not good. So everyone, so some discuss about election. Election is the most important for collect and selected prime minister and this good party. But right now Dhaka condition not good, because Dhaka people, they are always try to bet politics. This is not good for our society, not good for our life. So it's not our people problem, also government problem, also our problem, because we're always strive to bad politics. It's on kind of our cultural, but if you focus education purpose, that you won't chance this quality. But right now every people, there are focus always, basically some people there are living without job, without education. So there are strive to always bad politics. So I dislike this quality politics. Politics mean human being. You will support, you will help. We should help poor people, and problem we should face solve this and face people. But our country people, there are always focus money. If you our country, there are politics on kind of earn money, because if you gain win and minister, after that you have to earn lots of money. That's why this Bangladeshi politics not good. And besides local shop and brand shop on kind of. So everyone, this I also sharing also Bangladesh election is going to be on 12 February in 2026. But Bangladeshi people, it's fast people 90%, and lots of we have a lots of Islamic politics party, but some politics Islamic they have given Islamic party, but there are cultural totally non-Islamic. It's a big problem, and one kind of problem, always focus to try to backbite for against party. This is not good. My thinking totally different. I just share my thinking. If you need good politics, you will be successful. You aim this prime minister, your party will be success. You should always discuss. This is your culture, your responsibility. But against party should they are always criticize and backbite. Sorry, a cold problem, because last day I got very cold. Also winter season has been finished, but right now today also too much cool. So this right now I am discussing this about politics. Also people, there are also always focus this belt politics, and there are target always against party. I will destroy this against party. This is not good. If you when you will get your against party, that time your problem, your wrong side, you will divide it. You will correction. After that you will be good people. Your party will be good politics party. But Bangladesh is totally different. Politics mean on kind of country control people, country people, there are responsibility to will take. But Bangladesh is totally different. Also right now right now I am living from Dhaka, in this capital city in Bangladesh. But Bangladesh Dhaka some condition not good, not bad, because last 2-3 days movement as a movement, because some Hadi was a president of Inqilab, but he some those bad people, they killed him. So I also you know everyone this situation totally viral and effective, but right now conditions totally different condition and good condition. But Bangladesh this one problem. There are they don't focus good side. Always target to against party they catch and they will try to destroy this against party. But this is not good. If you want a candidate against party, that time you have a always problem. You have a wrong decision, wrong situation. So you should day by day increase your good side. It's good for country. It's good for a society. But if I decided and my condition always right, I didn't provide any wrong decision, so this is not good. I am right, my party writes this on kind of on kind of child, because as a human being, as we are local people, not a biased people, so we have a lots of problem. This is real. So, sorry everyone, my dear audience, spectator, behind this soundtrack is some things he actually delivery. That's why this is on kind of local sound, but don't mind. So I just share this politics discussing, and so also and against by the fires, there are show his fires, some politics party, but there are no fires. There are look like fires, but they have they are secret, and there are attitude humanity totally different. Each European cultural, but our if you have a fires no problem. But we are 90% people fires is in Bangladesh, but always focus, you know. Focus, but if you want your religion, you will day by day your religion use, then your politics ground you will need to this one kind of marketing. That time people will dislike, because everyone know good politics, who's good politics or bad politics. So we should avoid this quality politics, and not only political party problem. Problem is human. There are they don't want their problem and correction, because it's a political party. It's a big problem. Also, I said there are always say my party, my leader is the best in country. So it's not good. If you this one kind of they always glorify for his leader. So it's totally bad on kind of pure oil provide. So this kind of oil, we should avoid this kind of oil and this kind of leader, this kind of party. European, we should follow Arab mean our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he provided us Islam. After that, when we got Islam, this quality Islam, Modinar Islam. But Bangladeshi people, they try to destroy their country. And also right now, right now Bangladesh also some selection before on month also advertised on month has been finished. But this time, in the meantime, lots of people in a single district and this against party to against party fight, after that they die, killed. This is not good fighting system. If you have a human, you should kind be, and you should kind another people. But if you can try to always I need a chair, I need this post, cast this post for suitable for me. This is actually not good. That's why I dislike right now Bangladesh, but I like on political party. This name is Zakir Party, honest party. They have a no corruption, always provide to human being, always they don't quarrel, don't fight any single day, any kind of problem time. They are always discussing for government. They want to always peace for our country. So actually this is true. It's a reality of our life. every people when they are focus this face of need country, that time will be increase and develop our country. But if you won't follow this bad politics, and if you destroy your against party, that time you will lost everything. This is true. So we should about this kind of humanity. We should be everyone can be, and we need politics party always discuss, and we shouldn't be backbend this college. So everyone, I am come from Mirpur 2. This is stadium behind this Nurani Mosque, this playground. I came, so I have to pray for Salah. So everyone pray for me any mistake. Also I am trying to learn English. That's why I share this time my free time. After some few minutes after I will join my class. So I share my opinion. This is true. So this is Nurani Mosque.